glorious day of kayaking. Hello everyone. Well, actually glorious evening. Glorious evening. Lots of fish. Cabins here in the mountains. Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful evening. Beautiful day, beautiful day. I hope everyone back there on land is enjoying themselves.